The sum of two consecutive odd integers is 56. Find the integers. The integers consecutive odd, so x and x plus 2. For the equation, x plus 2, the sum is 56. X plus x is 2x minus 2 minus 2. That is 54. Divide by 2. Divide by 2, x equals 27. So if x is 27, x plus 2 is 29. Is the sum 56? Yes, correct. Find two consecutive even integers. Consecutive even integers, so x and x plus 2. Such that 5 times the smaller, so 5 times x, minus twice the larger is 26. So 5x minus 2x minus 4 equals 26. 5x minus 2x is 3x plus 4 plus 4. 3x equals 30. Divide by 3, x equals 10. So if x is 10, the other one is x plus 2, that is 12. 5 times the smaller, 5 times 10 is 50, minus twice the larger, 2 times 12, 24. Is that 26? Yes, correct. Number 8, find three consecutive integers such that twice the first integer plus the third integer is 47. Three consecutive integers, x plus 1, and x plus 2. Such that twice the first, so 2x, plus the third is 47. 2x plus x is 3x minus 2 minus 2. That is 45 divided by 3. X equals 15. So if x is 15, the second one, x plus 1, is 16, and then 17. To check if the answer is correct, twice the first, that's 30, plus the third, is it 47? Yes. Number 9, find three consecutive even integers. So x plus 2, and x plus 4. Such that 4 times the second, 4 times the second is 12 more than 3 times the sum of the first and the third. So 4x plus 8 equals x plus x is 2x, 3 times 2x is 6x, plus 12 plus 12. So 4x plus 8 equals 6x plus 24 minus 4x minus 4x minus 24 minus 24. That's negative 16 equals 2x. Divide by 2, x equals negative 8. So if the first one is negative 8, x plus 2 is negative 6, and then negative 4. To check if the answer is correct, the consecutive 4 times the second. So 4 times negative 6 is negative 24. Is it 12 more than 3 times the first and the second? 3 times 8 plus negative 8 plus negative 4, that's negative 36. Plus 12, is it negative 24? Yes. Number 10, find four consecutive even integers. Four consecutive even. X plus 2, x plus 4, and x plus 6, such that the sum of the first and the fourth the first and the fourth is 6 less than thrice the second integer. So x plus x is 2x, 3 times x is 3x, plus 6 minus 6. So 2x plus 6 equals 3x plus 0. Minus 2x, so x equals 6. So if x is 6, the other integers are 6, 8, 10, and 12. To check if the answer is correct, the sum of the first and the fourth, 6 plus 12, that is 18, is 6 less than thrice the second. Thrice the second is 24. Minus 6, okay, correct.
Thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye!